So, Ndabuski.
Pablo.
So, guys, good afternoon. Welcome back. Good afternoon. So, today I actually want to do a video on how you can trade the 8 a.m. CRT candle and the 9 a.m. CRT candle with boom and crash. I've gotten many replies from people that can they use it on other pairs aside the Volatility 25 that I'll be using it on. So today I've decided to do a video on Crash 1000. I've been on this trade. I traded the London session, and I traded the London session, right? So, and I gave the signal on my group, so you can see. For those of you that are not on my channel, so I traded it here. So you can see I traded the 2 a.m. candle, 2 a.m. CRT candle / the 3 a.m. which is for my London session, and this is what I told them. So, and when New York started, I rebalanced myself again. I repositioned myself again. You can check the time. This is 12:24 in my time. So that was when New York started. So that was when New York started. So the CRT pattern is very easy to trade. Over the time, I've gotten many people have been asking that I'm just doing video for promotion purpose, that I'm not explaining on how they can actually trade it. So today, I'm going to be explaining how they can trade the CRT candle. Now, in trading the CRT candle, please do well to watch the video to the end because I'll be dropping an ED gem. So if you want to trade the CRT candle, it all depends on the CRT candle you want to trade. One thing you should understand with CRT is that CRT is all about time and price, and most of the time we value price. We value time over what? Over price. We value time over price. So if you are trading this, let's assume now the time now is, this is 2 o'clock, this is 2:03 in my time. 2:03, that's 8 a.m. That's 9 a.m. CRT candle. Now it's very easy, very perfect now. So if you look at very well so now let me go back to my 1 hour time frame. Now on my 1 hour time frame, this particular candle that I have, this particular 1 hour candle, let me change the color. So this particular candle, this is my 8 a.m. candle. So what I'll be looking for now is that I want to trade the 9 a.m. CRT candle. Mind you, the 9 a.m. CRT candle, it was not the reason why I've started trading right from the beginning of my New York session, right from my 7 a.m. CRT candle. I've traded it, and I've traded the 8 o'clock. So with what I have here now, looking at the price structure here, you will see that this candle here closes below this. The 8 a.m. candle closes below the 7 a.m. candle. So that alone is telling me that that there's, with all possibility, the 9 a.m. candle should still trade lower, but we will have a small retracement. We will have a retracement. Let me call it a small retracement. We will have a retracement. So having the retracement is very simple, right? So I just reposition myself since I know there's going to be a retracement. So I don't need to stress myself. So if you look at very well the 4 hours candle, now on my 4 hours time frame, you can see that this particular candle here, this is my 4 hours candle. I showed them let me show you. I showed them this CRT, this 4 hour CRT right beforehand. That was when I showed them this level. So now automatically this is my CRT candle, this bullish candle here. So I know that now 2 things is meant to happen in New York session. They should take out the low of this CRT can do. But don't forget that when trading the CRT, always take profit at what? At 50% of your range. Already I'm on 50% of my range, more than 50% of my range safe. So I should what? I should trend gently. I should trend gently. So I'm looking for this one. This is my CRT on 4 hours time frame. So since I've established that I can go down to what? To a lower time frame. Right? I can go down to a lower time frame just to trade that pattern that I want to trade. So that's my what? That's my CRT candle. So a quick recap. In trading the CRT candle, let's assume the candle you want to trade, your higher time frame bias is very, very important. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. So I've determined my higher time frame bias, and I know that what? I'm bearish for crash 1000. I'm bearish for now. So we should have a spike, a continuous spike to the downside. So that is what I've done with my higher time frame bias. So since I've established my higher time frame bias, I just need to reposition myself. Position myself in the trade to meet my key time, to meet my CRT time. Don't forget that we have the 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. CRT candle. That is for what? 3 a.m. CRT candle, 4 a.m. CRT candle. That is for what? That is for your London session. And for your New York session, we have the 7 a.m. CRT candle, we have the 8 a.m. CRT candle, and we have the 9 a.m. CRT candle. I've actually did a video on how you can trade the CRT candle, you can predict the next candle. So I'm going to be dropping the link on the video. I'm going to be dropping the link on the description of this video so that you can watch and go and learn if you don't understand. Meanwhile, if there's anything you want me to talk about or there's anything you still don't understand, please do well to it. Drop it in the comment section. I would respond to it. And if you are here to join my broadcast where I drop quick updates, please do to hit me up so you can see. This was what I showed them. Look at the 4 hours time frame. You can see it clearly now. So we have this was the 4 hour CRT. That was 8:02. Take note of the time. It's very, very important, right? So that was 8:02. I have the CRT, and I gave them the 1 hour structure of it. I gave them the 1 hour structure of it. So with that being established, I know that I'm bearish. So if you actually enjoy the CRT pattern, comment in the comment section the CRT pattern that you are So moment from now, I should be expecting I'm actually expecting a spike. We should start having a spike, right? We might start having the spike back because we've gotten back to the now. Look at, you might not really understand. So this rectangle that I have here, this rectangle here is my Asian section. So I demarcated it, and this vertical line, this blue line, is my midpoint of the Asian section. So those are my key areas there. So then I have this black horizontal line here, very tiny like this. That is the midpoint of my range, and that was where price reached, and I will have that small spike that we have. So I expect a rejection to continue from that continuation to continue. The spike should continue, the pullback should last to that area, and then we'll continue the spike. Right, we'll continue the spike. So you can see my take profits. You see where my take profit is. It's actually just a small one, a quick one. Right, a quick one. So that's my CRT can do. So until the next time I'm going to be crossing your path, please remain profitable. And if there's anything you want to know more about it, maybe you need a deeper in-depth of it, you can actually hit me on the you see my contact in the description of the video. You can join my Telegram channel for more updates, and then you can hit me up directly. So until the next time I'll be crossing your path, remain blessed and profitable. So remember I told you that I'm expecting a spike. You can see we have that spike. So we should have a continuation of that trend. So as a matter of fact, trading is fun once you know what you are looking for. Once you know what you are looking for, your trading should be fun. Capital should not be a problem. Though when you have a bigger capital, you can leverage more. But if you have a bigger capital and you are not good at it, your psychology is very, very bad. You might not be able to manage your funds. So you might not be able to manage your funds, manage your trade. So that's how you trade on these things. So I will still be updating you, because I told you I will be holding the trade down to my take profit. So my take profit is here. Or if until when I see a reversal or a change in trend, then I can desist from holding the position. Right, from holding the position. So like I told you I'm going to be updating you guys. You can see where the spike comes from. So once you master it, so though I might actually be crossing that, because if you look at the time very well, this is 9:30. You can see at that area they said the spike will come in. That was where we have the spike. So you can use the CRT pattern to trade spike. You can use it to trade spike. Right? You can use it to trade spike. You can see this is how far we've gone. So that's $13 to 48. So that's one thing about CRT pattern. That's one thing about your CRT pattern. It gives you that hedge. It gives you that edge. So that's how good your CRT can go, right? So some might be like, oh no, look at this is my trade history. You can see that's my trade history. So there's nothing to hide there. There's nothing to hide. You blow account, sure, but your commitment will go a long way. So guys, you can see this is how marvelous the CRT is. $13 to $58. You can see that log spike. So that is that is the power of your CRT. That is the power of your CRT candle. It gives you that leverage that you need to use. So at this point, I might be So like I told you, this is 2:30. This is 9:30 a.m. EST. This is one of the CRT that will trade. This is one of the CRT that will trade. It's very, very crucial. It's very crucial. Just strike your point. So I might be holding to my take profit, but let me show you one thing here. Look at this liquidity here. You can see this fair value gap here. So this is actually a draw on liquidity that really matters a lot. This is a draw on liquidity that I might be looking for the market to get to, right? So I'll still be watching. I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I'm actually pausing. So you can still update it, right? So on my Telegram channel, on my broadcast list, I've actually updated them, right? So you see, this is what I just told them. So I guess somebody is saying daily CRT. So if you go to your daily time frame, the daily CRT is already forming. Now, what confirms a CRT? There is something that confirms your CRT, which is your higher time frame bias. It's very, very important. So this particular trade is coming from my higher time frame. And meanwhile, earlier on this week, I told them there's something I told them. Okay. I hope I can find it. Okay, so this is what I told them on my channel. So I told them that once you are a mature trader, that was yesterday. Sorry, that was on Tuesday. Sorry. So smart traders start looking for their weekly setup from Tuesday London session. That is when they start looking for their smart move. So guys, if there's anything you want me to talk about, or there's anything that is not clear yet, do where to drop it on the comment section, or you check the description of this video. You will see my contact there, so you can message me directly on WhatsApp or Telegram, and I will definitely respond to you. If there's anything you want to learn the CRT, perfect your skill on CRT. CRT is the real game changer. It's the real game changer that you should be trading. That you should be trading.